thinking about trying Fitbod for your workout this year? Before you dive in, here's an honest, balanced look at what to expect based on personal research and real user feedback. Disclaimer: this review is based on my own research and opinion. Always try the app yourself or consult with a trainer if you're unsure. According to the official site, fitbod.me, Fitbod is a smart fitness app that creates personalized workout plans based on your goals, equipment, and training history. It uses AI to adjust workouts over time, aiming to optimize muscle recovery and progress. The app supports everything from strength training and bodybuilding to general fitness, and it's especially handy if you're working out at home or in a gym without a personal trainer. On Trustpilot, Fitbod currently holds a 4-star rating from 26 reviews, but the options or opinions, are mixed. Some negative reviews mentioned that the app is buggy, people reported crashes during workouts, confusing workout orders, and even accused the company of fake reviews. One user said the free trial was a mess and warned others to be cautious before subscribing. On the flip side, there are some truly inspiring success stories. One user lost over 100 pounds using Fitbod consistently over a few years, and another praised the detailed progress reports that kept him motivated over 6 months. People who stuck with it often describe it as a life-changing and easy to follow. Also worth noting, the Fitbod team is pretty responsive. They reply to almost every review, good or bad, with a support email for troubleshooting, which shows at least some commitment to user experience. If you're looking for a customizable workout app with AI-driven guidance, Fitbod could be a great tool, especially if you're already motivated and have some gym knowledge. But if bugs and stability are deal breakers, you might want to test the free trial carefully before subscribing. It's not perfect, but for some people, it's been a game changer. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Fitbod or do you have another go-to fitness app? Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.